Rap, imbitahan mo ang mga nanonood sa atin.
Wait, sandali. Ano pa yung isang super taas na kanta na kaya mo?
She likes him talaga.
I love you so much. At pag nagugustuhan ko talaga,
She does.
every week nag-guest dito dahil favorite ko.
Tandaan nyo yan, ha? Rap has to be every week.
Every week. I love you. Gusto ko talaga boses mo. Go.
Yung favorite po ni Direk Gwen. And as I'm telling you, I'm not going. You're the best man I ever know. That's the way I can ever go. No, 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 no way. No, 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 no way. Oh, baby, without you, I'm not living without. I'm not living without you. I don't wanna be free. I'm staying, just staying, and you, and you, and you, you gotta help me
Pwede na kay Ellen DeGeneres.
Kailangan na. Dali na natin buong staff natin sa opening.
Galing Ashley, invite our audience. Go ahead.
Malapit na po, sa May 14 na po, paabangan niyo po, Ikaw Pa Rin, Bongga Ka Boy, directed by Direk Gwen Deramas.
Riza.
It's under Viva Films. It's going to be coming out May 14 po.
Okay. Kinabahan
DJ.
ka talaga.
Yes, Bongga Ka Boy, Ikaw Pa Rin. Of course, kasama namin si Robin Padilla Ay, Eugene Domingo, John Lapus, at marami pa pong iba. Sa May 14 na po, dalhin po ninyo yung lahat ng pamilya.
Buong
Coming
pamilya.
from the most bankable comedy team of the Philippines.
Ikaw Pa Rin, Bongga Ka Boy. May 14 na po. May premiere night po kami ng May 12 sa SM Mega Mall.
Friendship!
Ayan, ito po yung first na tambalan namin ni Mr. Robin Padilla.
Pangilan niya ni Direk Gwen?
Pang-7.
Kasi ginagawa na, magpa-first shooting day tayo, May 8, ang tanging ina niyong lahat. Kaya personal kitang iniimbitahan, Chris, kasi yung opening scene dapat ikaw.
Really?
Yes, dapat ikaw.
Really? Why?
Kasi about ano yun, diba?
Kasi yung opening naging stunt woman siya eh.
Okay.
Parang kunyari, tatalon artista ka bilang Chris Aquino,
Oo.
tatalon ka and then cut, ikaw na, siya na yung tatalon.
Sige, go! Yay! I'll do it for you, friendship!
Friendship.
Advance gift ko na sa inyo.
I love you.
I love you too.
At ito na po ang first tambalan namin ni Robin Padilla. Manood po kayo dahil napaka-feel-good movie po nito. And iba ko rito, hindi ako masyadong maingay rito. Tsaka,
Ikaw Pa Rin, Bongga Ka Boy.
Ikaw Pa Rin, Bongga Ka Boy. Directed by Deramas under Viva Films.
Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. At mga kaibigan,
Thank you, friendship.
Pilipinas, suportahan po natin ang pelikulang Ikaw Pa Rin, Bongga Ka Boy, May 14 under Viva Films. Magbabalik po ang Boy!
And Chris!